Students, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn lesson 30 scientific unit. As you know, there are various units that are used in science and daily life. The International System of Units, better known as a SI system of unit. SI मतलब system international. Okay, SI system मतलब system international system. Okay, it's a widely used system across the world. It comprises a system of measurement built a seven based unit and several other derived unit. सेवन बेस यूनिट आता है, बहुत सारे यूनिट ड्राइव यूनिट का नाम भी देता है, ऐसा यूनिट का नाम भी देता है. So here we are going to learn some SI unit, name of the person who founded the things, and from this photo and the question. आइडेंटिफाई दीज कॉमन यूज. इसमें कॉमन एक अल्फ़ाबेट दे रखा है, A to J अल्फ़ाबेट दे रखा है. ये कॉमन है, ये इससे कोई खास बात नहीं है. हमें तो कोई नाम ज़रूर होना ज़रूरत है. ओके, फिर साथ साथ हम क्वेश्चन में ये दे रखा हो तो ये भी डाल दो, कोई बात नहीं. ये द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ thermodynamic temperature is named after William Thomson, a famous British mathematical physicist. He was given the title of Lord A. Among other things, a well-known home appliance brand has been named after him. Pehले one answer is, what is the name of the person? Kelvin. A. Kelvin is a well-known Kelvinator. Kelvinator एक मतलब एक ब्रांड था, उसको फाइंड किया हुआ एक व्यक्ति था केल्विन. उसको इनका ऐसा यूनिट था, केल्विन दे रखा है. ओके, सेकेंड वन, बी द बेस्ड यूनिट ऑफ मेजरिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट इज नेम्ड आफ्टर द फ्रेंच physicist and mathematicians Andrew Marie B. who is created for laying down the basic of electromagnetism. इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट को बना हुआ मेशरिंग को बना हुआ व्यक्ति. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट तो हमें जानता है, उसको मेशरिंग का बना हुआ व्यक्ति एम्पियर है. एम्पियर, उसका नाम भी एम्पियर है. एम्पियर. ओके, बी इज एन एम्पियर. AMPHERE एम्पियर. AMPERE एम्पियर. Third one, C, the basic unit of measuring length is defined as the length of the path traveled by light in a vacuum during a time interval of 1 bar 219 792 458 second of a second. Okay, length, measuring the length as a traveling by the light. मेजरिंग ये लेंथ, उसको फाइंड करने के लिए हम क्या देते हैं, क्या ऐसा यूनिट है? मीटर. ओके, थर्ड वन इज मीटर. फोर्थ वन इज D is derived unit that is used to measuring force. It is named after a great scientist who wrote the groundbreaking book Philosophy Naturalis Principia Mathematica. The name of the person is Newton. Newton. Fourth one. Fifth one is E. The driver unit of electric potential is named after the Italian chemist and physicist Alessandro E, who is also created with inventing the first electrical battery. फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिकल बैटरी ने क्रिएट किया है. उनका नाम था वोल्ट. वोल्ट, VOLT, वोल्ट. सिक्स्थ वन, F, the driver. Sorry, I'll change the photo. F, the driver. Sixth one, sorry, इसमें सिक्स्थ वन फोटो नहीं. ओके, सिक्स्थ वन फोटो नहीं है, फिर भी आपको बुक में देखो, पेज नंबर 71. F, the driver unit of electrical conductance is named after the German inventor and industrialist Werner von F. He also founded the electrical and telecommunications company F. Sixth one, the name is Siemens, SIEMEN, Siemens. Seventh one, G, the unit of measuring radioactivity is named after the French physicist Henry G. He received the 1903 Nobel Prize of the Physics along with Marie and Pierre Curie for the discovery of the radioactivity. Marie Curie आएगा, Pierre Curie लिखा होता है, okay. Electroactivity. Becquerel, okay, Becquerel. Seventh one is Becquerel, Becquerel, Becquerel. Eighth one, H, the derived unit of frequency is named after the German physicist Heinrich H. He is credited with providing the existence of magnetic waves. Electric magnetic waves को find किया था, उसको frequency ऐसा unit क्या नाम में दे रखा था, Hertz, H-E-R-T-Z, Hertz, H-E-R-T-Z, Hertz. Ninth one, I, the derived unit of pressure, is named in honor of a 17th century French mathematician, physicist and philosopher who made some important contribution to the study of fluid, pressure and vacuum. Fluid, pressure and vacuum के बारे में कोई पढ़ाई भी उन्होंने किया, हमें स्टडी दे रखा है. He is also known for his pioneering work of calculating machines. Calculator आता है, calculator machine को find किया व्यक्ति था. I can be defined as 1d per square c. I can be defined as d per square c. उसी नाम में I define करना चाहता है. What is the SI unit of the thing? Pascal, P-A-S-C-A-L, Pascal. 10th one and the last one, J, the unit of electrical resistance, is named after the German scientist and mathematician George J. George J के नाम में एक ऐसा यूनिट दे रखा था, J, OH. Okay, so it is an electrical resistance, unit of electrical resistance. उसको क्या ऐसा यूनिट थे, OH. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.